Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys basically where you can find your TikTok balance. So when somebody gives you a coin when you're streaming, you can find it right here. Go to your profile page, which is here. Select the three lines on the top right corner of your screen and you're going to select balance. And here's where you can basically find your TikTok balance. You can even allow the notification in your settings, but I'm not going to. Here you can view your live rewards and the coins that you have right now. I don't have a lot because I didn't use this account. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye.